See if you can see the bear at the top. Seems like I'm walking down the airfield with the sun in my back. And I said, oh, there's a plane coming! Grizzly Peak, yours to enjoy. No Lee's in there. I thought I'd find her. Guess not. Keep looking. That's true.
Cave bear myself.
I'm just hanging out with my friend Big Al. Big Al. I've been looking for my wife Lee's. Have you seen her anywhere? What you looking at? She's over there? What? I'm not going into the Grand California Hotel. She's not in there. Is she? Oh, she's on the water ride. Oh, okay, well, I'll go on that. Thanks, Big O. I don't know what Big Al's thinking. That looks kind of scary. Alright, more shopping in the wilderness gear. Let's take a look. Hey, more Halloween stuff. Oh, man, that's the same stuff as before. I can't seem to find any Chip and Dale.